In front of me is ULEFONE Note 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and clicking on this gear icon on the left to adjust all of those options. Then go back and to start, click on red button. As you can see, recorder is on. If you want to pause or unpause your recording, use the same middle button. This time it's blue. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on left icon. To end it and save it, click on the right icon here. Now, when the recorder is off, use the same right icon, this time to access list of all your recordings. To play one, click on it. And to manage it, hold it. And click on those three dots at the top right corner to access all of those options, like rename. You can also hold it and use this pin at the top to get rid of your recording by hitting allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!